to operate it.
No, you can do it. I can't see it.
All right. That
It starts.
it starts recording. See record on there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Go on then.
You
Yep.
probably had a stabiliser.
Yes.
Exactly the same.
Yep.
Yeah. So you're happy that obviously you need to keep the toe ball clean and dry and
Yep.
paint free. Yeah. Because obviously you've got the friction pads contaminated if you don't keep that
Right.
clean.
Okay. Well, that needs a bit of a rub because it's probably going a bit rusty. That has. So
Yeah.
you've got
So,
some.
yeah. Yeah. I've got
You
some ring of that.
don't keep them. You don't WD-40 them, do you? Just keep them dry.
It's
Just
got
dry.
to be bone dry because it's working like if you imagine like brake pads.
Brake pads. Yeah. Yeah.
Roughly, and that's actually working on friction
Yeah.
as a stabiliser to slow the yawing and pitching
Yeah.
of your caravan. Obviously, it doesn't stop it if you've got obviously loaded incorrectly. If you've got too much weight at the back or the front or whatever, it's not going to stop
Right. Okay.
all of that.
Yeah.
Okay. Obviously, same as before. You got your handbrake, jockey wheel clamp,
Yep.
electrics, 13 pin.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
You got 13 pin. That's good. ATC, did you have that on your last one?
Yes.
You did, so you're happy how that works?
So which one do you put on first? You put this on first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lock it down.
Yeah.
And then plug that in.
Yeah.
And it should go green, shouldn't it? Is that,
That's it, yeah.
Yeah.
So what it does, when you plug it in, using the electrics off your vehicle, it does a self-test.
Yeah.
So that's what the green light comes up.
Yeah.
Green flashing light, that means it hasn't completed its self-test. It's still okay to go.
Yeah.
Normally within, say, 100 yards, if you drove forward about 100 yards, it should finish
Stop
off its
flashing.
test.
Yeah.
So it should
Okay.
go to solid. If you
Yeah.
get a red light,
Yeah.
that means it hasn't done or it hasn't completed, or there's a fault in the self-test system. Best thing to do is just take your electrics out, unplug it out off the back of your car, give
Yeah.
it a few seconds to reset, plug it in, and it should go to
Should reset,
green. Should
yeah.
reset to green.
Yeah.
If it's on red, you can still drive with it, but it means the system isn't working. Okay. If
Yeah.
it's flashing red,
Yeah.
that means the brakes have been applied, so you can't drive with it.
Right. Okay.
So the thing is,
So red, you're still cautious
Yeah.
if need
it's
be.
solid red,
Yeah.
you can still drive with it if you want to,
Yeah.
but the system won't be working.
Yeah.
Flashing red, you're more urgent. That means the brakes have been applied. You're going to need to. The only way you're going to drive is by unattaching the system.
Right.
which
Okay.
is
Yeah.
bolts, spanners, whatever underneath.
Panic.
Yeah. So that way, call someone out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. No worries.
that?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Gas locker. It'd be exactly the same as what you had previous. You've got
Yeah.
your onboard regulator. Obviously, you've got our gas and gas hose attached to it at the moment,
Yeah.
just to show you everything up and running. Okay, you're happy that you can use butane or propane? Off
Yeah,
that,
I've got BP light, so I've got to change the pigtail, which I've got in the car anyway.
This
So
is our,
that's yours anyway, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I'll just screw my pigtail to that.
Yeah, obviously you've got a bit,
Nip it up. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Do that. Put that aside. Conqueror. Did you have a tank, onboard tank?
We did have a yes, we
Yeah.
did. Yeah.
Did you have a single inlet?
No, it's double.
Oh, you did
yeah.
have a double. So it'd be very similar.
Yeah.
That one, water in as you would either from your super pitch or your aqua roll.
Yeah.
Okay. And that one is just for filling your tank.
So if you want to fill the inboard tank,
Yeah.
plug it into that, into
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
So what are they for then?
Well, what you've got on board, you've got an onboard tank, obviously, onboard pump.
Yeah.
Okay, that will draw the water up through here into your system as normal.
Yeah.
Or then, if you fill your tank, it will run pushing the water out from your tank.
Right.
That there is just. If you look at this, you have actually got two pumps.
Right.
Okay, that pump there is just there to fill your tank.
Right.
Okay,
Got you.
that doesn't work when you're just using the water system normally.
Yeah.
So that's why it's got the prongs on that one.
Yeah.
It's using the power to that pump.
Yeah.
That one's got no prongs.
Yeah.
That's using the internal pump to
Okay.
draw the water up through that pipe.
So normal aqua roll use the bottom one.
Yes,
Then
so
you
it's
only
that
you use that when you want to fill the tank.
It's only to fill the tank.
And you do that from the panel inside, don't you? Is that right?
Yeah, I'll show you that
Yeah.
all when
Yeah.
we go inside. And that just clicks in there.
Yeah. We get this with it. We get this. Don't
Yeah,
we?
that comes with it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Okay. Shower out. External shower.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Always switch the water pump off before you connect it.
Right.
Okay. Obviously, it still will be pressurised.
Yeah.
So when you plug in with your external shower, you've got the shower head. Just
Yeah.
open it up, point
Yeah.
it away from you, then push that in.
Right.
If you don't, the likelihood that water's going to go sooner.
Yeah, okay, got you.
Which they caught me.
Does
the
that come
first
as
time.
well? No.
I'm not sure on this one.
Right. Okay.
Not sure.
No worries.
I think so. We'll have a look. We'll have a look when we get in.
Okay.
Then vent for your Aldi system. Did you have Aldi?
Yes, we did.
Oh,
We
you had
did
Aldi.
Aldi. Yeah.
You might have. You probably had a different control panel. Did you have the touch screen square one on
yes,
the last one?
yes,
Yeah. All
yeah.
right. So that should be all familiar. Okay. Motor mover fitted.
Okay.
Isolating keys there. I'll show you that up and running after.
Yeah.
Did you get the motor removed before?
Yeah, this is ours.
It is yours.
It's off
right.
the old van.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's fair. Yeah. So you know how that works.
So the actual isolation
That's the
key's
key
there.
is there. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah. Right, it was someone else before, then, was it?
Yeah, it was. You had to put it inside.
Inside, yeah.
There wasn't enough room to do it before. Yeah,
Right. Okay.
that's better.
Obviously,
yeah.
240 connected.
Yeah,
There's your battery connected.
yeah.
Okay.
Now that's got. If you know when you plug it in at home,
Yes.
obviously reasons that has to be earthed, doesn't it? You would normally earth.
Well, you did.
Yeah,
It depends
you
what you're plugging into, I suppose.
No,
yeah.
if you have an adapter,
Yes.
they are earthed, aren't they? You have an earth, like an ordinary 13 amp earth supply.
Yeah, it should be. Yeah.
You know, with an adapter on it. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Brilliant.
Okay. What's your wastewater inlet there?
Yeah.
Flush tank. Waste tank's probably exactly the same.
Yes, that's the
Yeah.
same.
And
Yeah.
then your drain, which is up on the little plastic shelf,
Right. What's that? Ah,
that's to drain your flush tank. Yeah.
I didn't know that before.
We didn't know that.
Now what have we done? I've just run it empty into that.
Yeah.
So that just will drain.
That'll just drain the last bit. I wouldn't try. If you got like say half a tank in there, I wouldn't try and drain it through there because you'd be there for hours.
Yeah.
Drain
Okay.
it either into a container or into your waste
Right.
tank.
Okay. I didn't know that was there.
Yeah.
Right. Brilliant.
Obviously important for winter. Make sure that's
Yeah.
drained.
Okay.
Obviously you got your.
Yeah. You know, winter, is it advisable to get the things fitting for them or not? You know, to cover them over or.
If you're using it, you mean?
You know, if you're not using it.
No, you don't need to. You're not
Yeah.
using it. It's there when you are using it because obviously when it's really, really cold, it's going to struggle
To get. Yeah.
to get
yeah,
the
I
temperatures
understand.
right. So you need the cover just to.
Yeah.
You need
to
heat
boost it.
exchange to
Yes, I understand. Yeah.
cool the fridge down.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
Everything at the back.
Yeah, it's on there.
Okay, we've got your information plate there.
Yeah.
Okay, very important. As you can see, I've got my torque spanner there. On the bottom here, it shows your wheel torque settings: 88 newton meters for the steel, 130 for alloy. Obviously, you've got alloy.
Yeah.
Very important that you check these each time before you go away.
Right. Okay.
Okay, very important because obviously
I've got a
the
torque
last thing-
wrench. So yeah.
130 newton meters. I will check these before you go,
Yeah.
so we double check. Obviously,
Okay.
everything
Is there a
should be
locking nut on those as well? No.
No locking nuts on them.
Okay.
So you might be advisable to go and buy some of them. If
I
you haven't
might
already
get
got some.
one of them then. Yeah. Yeah.
Obviously, you can be, obviously you've got a wheel lock receiver on there as well.
Yeah.
Okay, obviously you've got your tyre pressure. Obviously, again, that's important.
Yeah.
Make sure your tyre pressures are correct.
I never knew they were so high on these, aren't they? 57. Yeah.
Well, I think mine's a 65
Oh, are they?
on my
Oh,
caravan.
right,
Well,
okay.
mine's a bit bigger, longer caravan, but
Yeah.
obviously that's all important. 238.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously, or
We
248.
had that
into
before,
your
yeah.
awning. So we get, obviously, your barbecue
Barbecue,
point. Obviously,
yeah.
don't put that into your awning
No.
because obviously the danger of either carbon monoxide or fire, obviously.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Okay.
Just get the keys. Got one on the spare, so one big key does everything.
Yeah.
Lockers and door. Obviously, got
There's
one on
a
the spare.
Spare.
Same with your alarm fob.
Yeah.
Torches in the end.
Yeah.
To set the alarm, probably exactly the same as what you had on the last one, was it?
Yeah. We never actually used it actually, but
Yeah.
yeah. Come on. You have to. If you.
Right, so one beep, that's
Yeah.
on.
Yeah.
You just press,
And that's off.
two's off. Yeah?
Yeah,
Same with
okay.
that one, obviously. Sometimes it takes a while just to pick up the first time, pick up the signal.
Yeah.
Okay, and then also what you've got is warning light. Right, so with the warning light on manually,
Yeah.
you cannot switch it on off your fob.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to use your fob,
Yeah.
switch it off manually,
All right, bro.
and that will switch it on and off on there.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, but if that switches on manually, it won't do it.
Right.
Yeah. Got
Don't
you.
leave
Right?
it on.
Yeah.
So don't leave it on.
Don't leave it on.
manually.
Yeah. Got you.
Okay, you
Yeah.
want to go inside?
Yeah. Okay. Take my shoes off
Yeah, I'm
actually.
gonna say mind yourself as you go through.
I might take my shoes off. Hang on.
I'll go and get my slippers on.
Yeah.
Take them off.
I'll get my slippers on.
Wow.
Heating on.
Yeah, feels nice and warm.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's a bit warm in here. So
Yeah.
I'll just shut that up. Right, you can hear, obviously you can hear the radio going.
Yeah.
Probably very similar to what you had
I
previously.
think it's the same one. Isn't it? Yeah, it's the same
Is that
one.
the
Yeah.
same, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so
And that will connect to that, doesn't it?
yeah,
Is that right? Yeah.
So you got that connection
Yeah.
there for you.
Okay.
And really off the radio there.
Yeah.
So happy how that one works?
Yeah, I'm
See
okay. I'm
you
okay
there.
with that. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
switch that off now.
Just turn it off.
We don't need that ringing in the background. Okay, so control panel.
Yeah.
It's similar to one you had previously.
Identical, I think.
It's identical, yeah. So
Yeah.
you're happy?
Yeah, I think
got your
so.
fill tank button, yeah. Obviously your view level, see what's...
Yeah, I think it's identical. Yeah, I think it is.
Identical.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
so you're
is.
happy
Yeah,
with
yeah.
Good. Your onboard tank, I don't know if your fittings are the same.
They're this one, aren't they?
I'm
This one.
looking
Yeah.
now. They're usually there, obviously,
Yeah,
on this
no.
one.
It's good they're there actually. It does free.
Oh,
On the other
yes.
one, it was like
That just fills
completely
a whole
full of
bunk, and that's
stuff.
it.
Yeah,
You've got no space whatsoever. But they're
Yeah.
obviously being a bit clever with the newer ones. They put them
yeah.
at the front out of the way. Okay, so, is that exactly the same as what you
It's
had
the
previously?
same. So you put them up or down depending on which one you want, and then then you can drain them, can't you? As well.
Yes.
Yeah.
So obviously they're the drains.
Yeah.
You got an info note there to tell you which one it is, and then the white one there.
Yeah.
That's pointing that direction. You can see there, external supply, so it has your ACA roll.
Yeah. On the
And if you want the tank, you just turn it to point down. So to fill your tank and to operate your tank,
yeah,
it's
got
pointing
you.
down. Okay.
Yeah.
You happy with that?
Yeah. No, I'm
Yeah.
okay with that. Yeah.
And to fill the tank, you just obviously press fill tank.
Up there.
Up there.
Yeah.
Obviously with it connected to the upper one outside that says to tank.
Can you get at the tank from here or not? Is it? Probably no. Probably
I'm
not.
not sure. It's
Yeah.
quite obviously tight.
Yeah,
down
it's
here.
all in there.
You
No,
probably-
don't worry.
This would probably have to come off to
Just
to
wondered.
get in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah,
you're
no.
happy to get water in?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So obviously if your heating's exactly the same.
Yeah, the only difference I think this is 3 kilowatt rather than 2. The other one was 2, wasn't it?
So you might find
there's more timers on it.
they've updated
Yeah.
it just a bit.
Well, we
Okay,
went
so
to the
you got-
show on Thursday and we took it
Yeah.
to the Aldi guy.
Yeah.
Because that house wasn't colour.
Yeah.
And he said that there's more programs now you
Yeah.
can do. Yeah.
There's a lot of different things that are in there. Also, probably what you'll find on the last one, you couldn't switch the water heating off. This
No.
one you can.
You can.
Because
Yeah.
before it just came up there and it was water heating or water boost.
Yeah.
So if you hit it again, it's water boost, 30 minutes, yeah? Happy with
Yeah.
that bit. You can actually switch it off.
Right, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Is there, there's a manual for this, isn't there?
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Well, that's your handbook there.
Yeah.
It's your warranty handbook. If you're uncertain as well, you can go on YouTube, look for
Yeah.
Aldi Heating.
Yeah.
It's got that on there,
I'll-
which
I'll be
is
honest
really,
on
really
that.
good.
Pretty sure, yeah.
Gas things slightly changed before it had on and off.
Yeah.
Now it's just you just press that. That's on. That's on.
Yeah.
That's off. Okay. Yeah. Obviously you've got 3 kilowatts now. Okay. Then the menu, it looks they've changed it slightly. You got obviously set your clock. You got a night timer. You got a day timer. A 24-hour timer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you had the 24-hour timer before. I thought you can
Yeah.
prioritise between electric and gas.
Yeah.
Calibration. You
No.
had that. You had that before.
Oh, well,
You should have.
yes, you did. Yes,
Yeah.
you did. Sorry, yeah.
Yeah, so obviously if it's showing on your screen there, I'll go back to the front one. If it's showing say 22 degrees and it's absolutely freezing in here,
Yeah.
or say 30 degrees in and it's freezing in here,
Yeah.
you won't get the heating to come on.
No, right. So you set it.
So
yeah,
you
I
need
understand.
to
Yeah.
you need to calibrate it using that. Further ones, display, they've changed that slightly. As you got the standard one, you can obviously change the brightness of it.
Yeah.
You can also put it dark, so especially at night, it's not too bad here because it's actually facing away
Yeah.
from there anyway. You put it onto dark, it looks like it's off.
Right.
So
got
the
you.
only way you know it's on is you got the little green light there.
Right.
As soon as you touch it,
Touch it comes back on.
lights it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
I said that the guy in the Aldi side, trying to sell us a thing for me my iPhone, like you know. You
Yeah,
can,
oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought great, but 200. What was it?
How
No,
much was it?
250. They were doing it for 250 at the show.
Yeah.
300 quid. I mean,
It's
you
a
don't
lot.
need it, do you? The time is like
No,
this,
no.
yeah.
You also got invert. Okay, this is again your screen. So you just go back onto there. So
All right. Okay. Night
instead
time.
it just lights up the little icons instead of the whole screen.
Yeah.
It's up to you how you want to
Oh yeah.
run it. I'll just put it on back to as it was. Okay. You had all of these on there before.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, language external. That's the one you're talking about with the phone. You can
Yeah. Yeah.
switch that on through that. Pump, different settings for your pump. Then also other things that could be, additional extras that you can have fitted. And that obviously they'll allow you to, if they were fitted, obviously they allow you to.
Light up. Yeah.
Yeah. So you've got a defrost on the cylinder if you had that connected. You got reset. So if you have been playing with any on the same as the other one, you can reset to factory settings.
Yeah.
Service.
Start again.
They can set up the boiler, whatever. And install accessories. Also, what you've had installed.
Yeah.
All the added extras. Okay, that's more or less it. Happy with that?
Yeah. No, it's fine. I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. It is in your book there.
Yeah. It's pretty much the same as it was before.
Yeah.
To be honest with you. Yeah.
Yeah, it's exactly the same. They just changed it slightly.
Yeah.
'Cause I had a bit of a shock when the first ones came. I was like, oh, Explain to a customer, well, that's slightly different than what I was thinking about before.
Right.
Right, so you're happy?
Yeah, I think so.
Fridge-wise, probably...
Yeah, same
very
really, isn't
similar.
it? You can choose slightly different.
Yeah.